This is a video of a very rusty Whirlpool fridge, which is only about 5 years old. It is so rusty that the handle broke off because of the rust that's coming out from the inside of the door. But the rust also appears in a lot of other places, not just at the door itself, but even at this place where at the ice and water dispenser. As you can see, the rust is actually from the inside, and it's so severe that the whole handle came off and broke off. Now the only way you can open the fridge is by reaching up for the top and pulling it. So this is basically to inform people about the quality of Whirlpool fridge.